If you're thinking about subscribing to Binge Movies and TV, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before pulling the trigger. This isn't just another streaming service. In fact, it comes with a few unique twists that could change the way you consume content. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not Binge is the right choice for you. And, just so you know, I've used it and compared it to other services, so I'm sharing insights you won't find elsewhere. First off, Binge offers an extensive library with a ton of hit movies and TV shows, but it's not as expansive as the giants like Netflix or Amazon Prime. What's really special is that it's more focused on premium content, with a strong emphasis on newer releases and exclusive shows. If you're someone who's tired of scrolling through endless content and just wants something fresh to watch, Binge could be your answer. Next thing to consider, the price. Binge has some competitive pricing, but depending on your subscription tier, it might actually be a bit more expensive than Netflix. For the value though, you get access to a lot of current and in-demand content, plus 4K streaming for some titles, which is a huge win if you have a good TV setup. The third thing, device compatibility. Binge works on a wide range of devices, including smart TVs, streaming sticks, and mobile devices. But here's the catch. If you're used to the seamless experience of Netflix or Disney+, Binge can feel a little clunkier in terms of navigation. It's nothing terrible, but the app could use a little polish. Now, the fourth thing that sets Binge apart is its flexibility with content. You can watch movies and TV shows in a way that fits your binge-watching style. If you're someone who loves watching entire seasons in one sitting, Binge has you covered. They've got the typical watch list feature, but I love that they also offer multiple playback speeds for faster watching, which is a game changer for anyone with limited time. Next, let's talk about the streaming quality. Binge delivers 4K content in select titles, which is great for those who want crisp, high-quality video. But if you're used to the absolute top-tier 4K resolution from other services like Apple TV Plus or Disney Plus, it might fall a little short in some areas. That said, it's still impressive for the price. The sixth thing to keep in mind is Binge's user interface. Unlike other services where the algorithm does a lot of the heavy lifting, Binge relies a bit more on manual browsing. This means if you're someone who likes being fed personalized recommendations, you might have to put in a little more effort to find something to watch. However, the curated collections are a nice touch and help guide your viewing experience. And the seventh and final thing, there's a major plus here. You can actually try Binge Movies and TV completely free through the link in the description. This is a great way to test out the service, see if it matches your watching habits, and even explore some of their premium features at no risk. So, if you want to try Binge Movies and TV with the best offer available, click the first link in the description to access an exclusive free trial. You won't just get to test out the service, but you'll also gain some special benefits that make it a great deal. Don't miss out. Give it a shot and see if Binge is the perfect fit for your entertainment needs.